question that came up. And what if you have an interior that you've already created that you want to expand and you want to add, say, more floor or more ceiling? How do you do that? Well, you can always extend these lines out as much as you need to, just keeping in mind that that shape will also grow, so you have more wall. And you can use this to go ahead and build more of your structure. So in this case, if I wanted to extend the wall even more, I could do it like this. Just keeping in mind that I can extend these rays out as much as I need to. Now, we're running into a situation here where if I increase the right side, the left side isn't going to increase as much. And at this point, you just have to look at the trade-offs and say, alright, well, at some point this room is going to end, and so I can just kind of, I can either keep going and make it even bigger, or I can just create like a stopping point. And at this point, I'm just going to go ahead and create the grids for my wall. And again, that's done by finding the midpoint